Welcome to PhyloJIVE. PhyloJIVE is a web-based tool that links phylogenetic trees to biodiversity data. This video is just a quick demonstration to show you how PhyloJIVE works. Previously, I had uploaded a Nexus, or rather a Newick tree of my research on acacia into a PhyloJIVE window on the version that's available in Australia. I also uploaded a few character traits. The character traits I have uploaded in a CSV file for these. So let's map inflorescence arrangement. So by clicking on inflorescence arrangement in character 1, we can map that onto the tree, and here we see the character states that are possible. So if we look to the left-hand portion of the screen, we can see the phylogenetic tree. This tree contains about 500 terminals, but I'll just look at the top of the tree. We can see that this whole clade is red except for prolongata at the bottom. If we look over here to the right, we see that all these species have racemose inflorescences, and prolongata has multiple character states. Also, we can see the same information by hovering over the species name. Swabiolens, inflorescence arrangement equals racemose. In prolongata, we can see is paniculate and racemose. Now, the left-hand portion of the tree, we can see that the edges or branches are the same color as the species. That's because the first character of the legend, a character state, is used to map the colors onto the branches. So we also can go for this clade, Trichetra and Acinaceae. We can hover over this node here, and we can see the ancestral state reconstruction of that node's racemose. And not surprisingly, just by looking at the color, we can infer an ancestral character state of racemose. And this is being developed through a ancestral state reconstruction. We can go down to this more complicated clade here. There's some species in black that are missing data, but we also see that this clade is a simple inflorescence arrangement. And we can actually see more complex clades where we have racemose and unknown character states, and see how that's mapped on the tree. We can do many other things in PhyloJIVE. For example, we can go to Saxostylus, and we can left click and look at external links. If we do that, we get a box with choices. We can click on API, which is Australian Plant Image Index. Unfortunately, there's no images of that one. We could look at HAPNI, Australian Plant Name Index. So we get a text nomenclature history of the species. We also click on this, which brings us to the Atlas of Living Australia webpage for the species. Now, these are just a few of the possibilities. We also could link out to EOL, GDF, and other biodiversity databases. One other function that is novel to PhyloJIVE is its mapping ability. So if we left click on Atrox, we can review the map of the distribution of that species, which is distributed in New South Wales. And Carnoriorum, which is a sister species, is in western New South Wales and South Australia. But we can also compare the two by viewing the map and getting both distributions at the same time. We also can go further down in the tree and map these four species. So in one fell swoop, we can see that this clade has members restricted in southern western Australia, and also a group of Saxostylus, which is kind of divergent between the arid regions. Then we have two species in the southwest. So we can also do that with many colors and look at this large clade of different species. We can see the distribution of all of these. And this data is being pulled directly from Atlas of Living Australia. Please see other videos for more information, other things that PhyloJIVE.